How to log in to Trust Wallet account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you need to install Trust Wallet app in your device. For that, you have to go to your Google Play Store, and in the search bar you have to tap and search for Trust Wallet, and you'll be able to see this app. So after installing it in your device, you have to open it up. Since we are looking for login, you have to go for I already have a wallet option, and you have to review the policies over here. So you have to tap on the box and tap on continue, and you have to create your passcode over here. You can also add your fingerprint, and after that you'll be able to open up in this page. So you can either select restoring with Google Drive, or you can go for multi-coin wallet. There are also other apps which you can select any of those. After that you have to choose an account over here if you have decided to register with Google account, and after that you have to select the information what Trust Wallet will have access to. For example, the Trust Wallet will see and download all of your Google Drive files. If you are agreed, then you can tap on the box and agree. Trust Wallet can see, edit, create and delete only the specific Google Drive files you use with this app. So you can also select that, and by doing that all you have to tap on continue, and by doing that you'll be able to log in to Trust Wallet account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.